Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on the application of Candy Crush Saga. You will click on settings. In this page here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Candy Crush Saga and you will click on about here, or in this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.